Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can buy a cryptocurrency or how you can buy a Bitcoin in Ukraine. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You will get on this site called Coinbase. This is where I invest and buy Bitcoin for 4 years right now. And when you're gonna enter everything here, you're gonna get $10. So that's really great if you're gonna invest $100, so that's not too much. And when you're gonna be in Coinbase, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin. So you come here on Bitcoin, view asset, and now you just buy Bitcoin, pay with, and I'm going to scroll my camera a little bit, and you can see it right here, pay with your wallet, and I'm going to add 100 euro. I can preview the buy and pay with 100, and the fee is 3 euros, so that's really not too much. The fees on the Bitcoin are the highest, by the way, but it's okay. Like if you're gonna earn a lot of money from crypto, it's not that bad, right? And you can simply click buy now, and then you can simply sell if you have Bitcoin, and you can deposit too. And then how you can withdraw money? This is the good question. You come here to portfolio, you click here on euro, and you simply withdraw, I don't know, 500, continue, and you just choose where you want to withdraw it. Simple as that, and this is how you can buy Bitcoin Ukraine. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. And don't forget to use the link in the description. See ya.